Welcome to Hat Chat, where we're talking strictly fitteds, no dad hats or snapbacks. I am your host, FREDO Algebra, aka Fitted Algebra, and today we are going over some of my top picks for April and May, man. Let's get it!
You know about that muscle bird Jay's hat, two-tone plain Jane, no game patch.
Man, April and May was very good hat months for me. I had a lot of hats come in, but these are some of my top picks, man. Let's get into it. First hat. From Sneakertown, man. My boy 561 Fitteds entered the Spider-Verse Yankee, man, and Miles Morales, man. This is a gorgeous hat. Very slept on crown, you know what I'm saying? We got the teal crown, the gray button. I don't know if it's russet, but it's a crazy looking red, like a bright tinty aluminum looking red with a white outline. It might be glow in the dark too. Black bill. And then you got the Spider-Man-esque 1996 World Series patch. Got that blue, that red, that silver. And you turn it around. Got the flat baddie. I think it's a metallic black pearl with the black and the metallic red. Very good hit. Flip it upside down. You got that gray bill, that gray UV. And then that white band, man. You know what I'm saying? I gotta love this hat. You know, this is like all the checkpoints for me. 561's been doing his thing too. Shout out Sneakertown, you feel me? In Florida, Miami. A lot of good hats been coming out from there. I've been digging all the new stuff coming out. Which brings me to my next hat, you know what I'm saying? Still 561 out in Sneakertown, you feel me? Not familiar too much with the anime it's from, but it's called Jujutsu Kaisen. Not even gonna try to explain what it means, but this one of the characters, Gojo. It's the Gogo Giants, you know what I'm saying? Navy crown, khaki top button, and top bill. You don't see this combination too often. That's why I like it. Then you have the metallic baseball with the Giants and the metallic black pearl, I believe, and then the black outline with that little purple though. That purple is what sets the front off. You know, to me, it's very original. I'm enjoying these new hats from 561, man, because you don't see these combos. And he's making them look tight, man. You know, and that side patch, 2007, of course, one of my favorite side patches. That metallic is just dancing, and the way he has that ivory or chrome stitch, and then that All-Star game, that orange is popping off that navy. It's just a very good display of thread work here. A very good job. And you flip it over, you see also metallic silver, white outline with that blue. And then you flip it over, it's a icy and it's a black band. I don't really go for like icies too much, but yeah, very good hat, man. Good job, 561 Fitteds. And good job at the folks at Sneakertown. You feel me? What's the next hat? Man, shout out Joey, RMDCC. You feel me? Out there in Proimage America, Mall of America, Minnesota. You know what I'm saying? This is a pickup off of the 2.0 MP4 pack. Of course, you know I had to get it because I had 1.0, the MF Doom. This is that MF Doom Food 2.0. It's a chrome crown this time. Black top button, top bill. And then that Mets is crazy, man. The logo is just almost like a subtle baby blue. And then it has that copperish orange with the green outline, man. It's just, you could see it, the cover. I see the cover just by looking at the front logo, man. It's unbelievable. I like this shape, stadium patch. You don't see this patch often, and this is a gorgeous patch. The metallic light silver blue, this is amazing. That copper banner with the red rocker, all the little purple and highlights, the lavender inside, the city's black. It's pretty spot on hat, man. Joey did a great job on this one. Got that green on the flat baddie with the black white outline, black band, gray under, classic Joey hat. Great job, you know what I'm saying? And then of course, hey yo! Hey, what's the next hat though? Okay, so the next hat, one of my favorite rappers to ever come out recently in this past like decade. You know, I had to get this hat because first of all, it's a great hat, and also it's spot on with the album 10. It's that West Side Gun. Hey yo! New York Yankee on the marcha. Yo, but anyways, fight orange crown. Top button, top bill, black, and we got that bust down silver on the front with that classic Yankee logo, no outline, nothing, classic. It pops because it's simple, and then he used the thread to shine and pop like and to dance in the front. On point with the cover, my man Flip got the chain on with the diamonds. Then you 99 logo, big fan, of course. Metallic I believe either silver or iris, metallic red, and you got the little pink and the globe and metallic outline. It's just bust down just like the chain look. It's crazy. And then we have the bust down flat baddie, silver, black. Hey yo, black band gray UV. You feel me? That classic Joey. Good job. You know what I'm saying? You keep doing your thing. Proimage America, you feel me? Now, this next hat, very sleeper hat. Shout out my man, way up the block, Brooklyn cap, you know what I mean? This is what they call the Marbury. It's the Brooklyn Dodger Marbury. He told me it's in the old New Jersey Nets colors. So this one's amazing. This is a very slept on crown. I mean, it's sold out. If you know, you know. This is a rare gem. I like it. We have the navy crown, the maroon top button, top bill, or it might be cardinal. And then we have that bust down Ebbetsfield patch. My favorite patch, of course. It's silver and I believe pewter, like silver, like metallic pewter. That Brooklyn NY dancing. Not too much to say about this. It's just too self-explanatory. Like once you look at it, it's just blinding. It's amazing. That white B on the front, classic. Glow in the dark too. Be very, very clear on that. Then we have the classic flat baddie, red, white, and blue. I always love the red, white, and blue baddie. It's just amazing on any hat. You know what I mean? Then you flip it over, of course. Fredo's gonna love the white band. Gray UV, can't go wrong, man. My man way up the block killed this one. You know what I'm saying? So glad I got this. Like, fun fact, this was the last hat. Had to cop it. It was my size, of course. You know what I'm saying? It's a no-brainer. So those are my top pickups for April and May. You know what I'm saying? But now I'm gonna go into my bonus round. I showed you the last Brooklyn, that Ebbetsfield. I told you was my favorite patch. These two crowns are very special to me. It's based on one of my favorite movies growing up, Belly. And for those y'all that know Belly, you know that was one of them ones, you know what I mean? Hype Williams directed it. All of our favorite rappers from our generation were in that movie, from Nas to DMX to Method Man, even T-Boz from TLC, you know what I mean? Very star-studded cast. These are two hats based off a couple of scenes in that movie, you know what I'm saying? So this first one, we're gonna go into DMX's role, you know what I mean? He played a very, very important role in that movie, Tommy Buns. Feel me? So this is my Buns Brooklyn, you feel me? Brick red, mahogany looking, leather bound books, you know what I mean? It smells like a rich man's library once again. It smells like the winning horse saddle, you know what I mean? Like, it's just crazy, man. This is like prestigious cathedral-like hat, you know? Brick red, top button, top bill black. That ivory B, classic and clean, you know what I mean? Then you turn it, bang, it's that Ebbetsfield. So this crown is based off one of the last scenes in Belly where DMX is called upon to assassinate somebody, and it's like New Year's Eve. He's in this room, you know, and if you take a picture of that scene, he's like wearing like a black jacket, and then the walls are the brick color, and then the pillars are gold, and then he is wearing a white shirt. You know what I mean? So that's what this symbolizes, you know what I mean? You also know Nas played a very, very big role in that movie, Sincere. This hat is based off his scene in the fog, in the park, in the project, when he's talking to the little kid, you know what I mean? He had this jacket on. It was an Averex leather, you know what I'm saying? And this is Sincere's Averex, Seattle. You know what I mean? Based off that white leather jacket with the navy lettering. So it's a chrome top, chrome dome, classic. Navy top button, top bill, navy S, that block S logo, you know, it goes crazy. And then the outline is russet. It's just dancing. It just dances, you know what I mean? And it looks exactly like the letters on the jacket. That Mariners 30th anniversary patch, classic, gold outline, navy rocker with the white and the russet in there. We got that gold baddie, blue, red, you know what I'm saying? Classic. Just look at the coat, man. Look at the coat, the trademark, you know what I mean? White band, gray UV. Amazing hat. So that concludes my two hats for the belly pack, you know what I mean? Nas, DMX, I got y'all here. Y'all forever immortalized through headwear, you feel me? This is from the belly pack again with So Fresh coming soon. If you like this, you know what I'm saying, you never know, there might be more hats. And if you like this, you might want to follow me at Fitted Algebra, follow Shoot Your Shot Records on IG, and follow So Fresh Clothing on IG. If you haven't caught up on all the hat chats, what the hell are you doing, man? Click that like button, man. In fact, Macho Man Flying Elbow that thing, you know what I'm saying? Greg the Hammer Valentine that thing, you know what I'm saying? Goldberg Spear, you know what I'm saying, with the snot dripping. I remember one time he had his snot dripping and then he just tackled the like button. You know what I'm saying? Catch up, man. Catch up, man. Get your head in the game. Hat chat, we out, man.